Hey, my brother and sister landlords, brace yourself. Big changes have hit the California eviction process that started January 1st, 2025. Happy New Year to us. My name is Tevis Ferret. I'm here to be your guide in the ever-shifting, ever-changing, and maddening world of landlord-tenant laws. You can find me on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and others. Please share this message with other brothers and sisters. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for the latest updates to protect your investments, wallet, your sanity, and peace of mind with these crazy laws. So let's dive in. Assembly Bill 2347 is ushering in significant changes, extending the deadlines for tenants to respond in unlawful detainer complaints. Starting January 1st, 2025, tenants used to have only 5 days to respond. Now, it's doubled. They'll have 10 business days, effectively giving them a minimum of 14 calendar days to respond if served in person. That's 2 weeks where your case is just sitting, waiting and waiting. And that's not all. If you're using substitute service, where you hand the complaint to another adult, or posting mailings because your tenant is dodging the process server, these timelines can stretch even further. In these cases, you're looking at a freaking 24 calendar days or more before you can move forward. That is a month of lost rent while they tear up your place, folks. And here's the tough truth. This change is going to feel like a slow, bleeding leak in your financial health. Every extra day that a non-paying tenant gets to remain in your property is another day of lost rent. For landlords, time is money, pure and simple. Imagine running a marathon with a ball and chain tied to your ankle. Even more, think of your tenant tied to your ankle. That's what these extended timelines will feel like. Proponents of the bill say that tenants need more time to respond, and sure, life happens, but for us landlords, it gives those lowlifes more time to lawyer up against us and make our life even more miserable. And life doesn't stop when the rent isn't paid. We have to keep making those mortgage payments. So putting it bluntly, this law is going to make the eviction process slower, costlier, and more frustrating. Landlords like you and I are going to need patience, strategy, we're your strategy, and persistence to navigate this new reality. It's like playing chess, but now your opponent gets double the time to make their moves. Or, in the alternative, you can do it the easy way and contact us, and we will bounce your piece of crap, non-paying, freeloading, predatory tenant. We've got legal crowbars that we can use for you. Or you can stay the course and go through this long and dream-killing eviction, also known as an unlawful detainer action. You just need to be familiar with the new guidelines and adjust your expectations. There are other ways to move this bad tenant without going through the eviction, and that's what we do. We're a Squatter Lockout. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and if you're facing a landlord-tenant issue, don't hesitate to reach out. We circle the wagons. We're in this with you. We're here for you. We're here to help. Also, if you're currently in crisis, forget the comments. Go to our website, squatterlockout.com, mash the call me button, and you'll talk to me, and we'll see what we can do to help. So until next time, take care of yourself. We're in this together. We are in crazy times. We are Squatter Lockout and Triumvirate Law. We are your sharp tip of the spear. Bless you. Thanks for watching.